Scrum. How would you start a new project? Usually you'd build a plan, create a timeline, find a project manager, plan the resources, hold tons of meetings, and ultimately just hope you don't stumble before you reach the deadline. But what do you usually deliver? Budget overspent, stress about the deadline, tight resources, the outcome could have been better, and the team is demotivated. These problems can be resolved with Scrum. With Scrum, you write fewer plans, and you do more in short cycles. We call sprints, that's iterative and incremental delivery. You work as one dedicated team with shared goals instead of working on a project with a distant deadline you constantly deliver. Functioning products, what we call value delivery. You don't use final valuations, but you receive continuous feedback. Scrum is a flexible way of working in a rapidly changing world. It's frequently used in software development. Many of the websites you visit or apps you use were made using Scrum process. This way of working is being used more often. Scrum was recently used to build a large infrastructure, like a new building, but it can also be used to develop new products, marketing campaign, compiled budgets and annual reports, or even to set up a completely new company. So, how does Scrum work? Let's use the marketing campaign for a new gadget, say a sport watch as an example. In the first week, you act right away. You share a glimpse of your design through social media. The feedback you receive will be used in the next week. You attract media attention, which provides new feedback for making improvements. We call these weeks sprints, which are actually mini projects that produce its own specific results. Instead of aiming a fixed goal, you take a step-by-step approach as you work towards your final ambition, like the successful launch of a new gadget. A Scrum team has regular meetings, works transparently, feels a joint responsibility, is aware of the progress made every day, and has results to celebrate after each sprint. Scrum has 3 roles. The product owner is the key stakeholder with a vision who provides direction to the team for each sprint. Next, there are team members, 5 to 9 professionals in cross-disciplines who are jointly responsible for the outcomes. Third, the Scrum Master is a facilitator who focuses on the process and the people. Product backlog is your list of ambitions and where you express how you intend to achieve them. Sprint backlog is the list of requirements you want to produce in the coming sprint. The definition of done indicates precisely what needs to be done by the end of the sprint, and the Scrum board, this shows all the team members' tasks, which will move from to do, in progress, and to done during a sprint. Then there are 5 meetings. First, the sprint planning meeting. What exactly are we going to achieve during the sprint and who's doing what? Next, the daily stand-up. Is everything going according to plan and are we going to make it? In the review meeting, you deliver your results and receive feedback. And then we have retrospective. You look back on the process and reflect on what you can improve as a team for the next sprint. Besides these 4 meetings, we have backlog refinement. We refine stories, gather supplementary information for the stories to be implemented in the next cycle. Scrum is a powerful way of working that provides speed, energy, and adaptability, which may be something for your organization to adopt.